Very good morning, students. I am Asim Kumar Mandal as a mathematics teacher representing Santipani Higher Secondary School, Rajoda. Student, in the previous video, we done introduction part of the chapter number 2, class 9th mathematics chapter polynomial exercise number 2.1. Question number first. Which of the following expression read carefully? Which of the following expression, that means here we have number of expressions just like first, second, third, fourth and fifth. Student, which of the following expression are polynomials? Here a single word, polynomial. What is the mean of the polynomial? What is the characteristic of polynomial? Polynomial, that means a polynomial basically 4 types. First one is the mono, second one is the binomial, third one is the trinomial, and last one is the polynomial. What is the mean of the mono? Which consists one term are known as monomial, which consists two term are known as binomial, which consists three term are known as trinomial. But in the case of the polynomial which consists more than 3, I repeat my word, I repeat my sentence, expression which consists more than 3 terms are known as polynomial. But in the case of the polynomial, how many types of polynomial are? First one is the linear, second one is the quadric, third one is the cubic. On the basis of power, that means when the expression consists maximum power. How many? Linear, that means what is the mean of the linear? Maximum power of variable will be equal of 1. That means linear. Maximum power will be equal of 2 are known as quadric. The maximum power will be equal of 3 are known as cubic. For example, students, if I take the examples of linear, that means are 2x plus 2, but in the case 2x square plus 2, and the cubic, that means are 2x cube plus 3 and so on. So another way, what is the mean of the polynomial? Just take the simple example 2x square plus 3x plus 5 and so on, any example. The exponent, I repeat, exponent, that means a power of variable. Important fact is there, the power of variable always as whole number. What is the mean of whole number? According to the concept of chapter number 1, whole number, that means a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Student, that is an important fact about the polynomial. The exponent, that means the power, maximum power of variable are known as degree. That means degree always be a whole number. That means 0, 1, 2, 3. If power consists in the negative form, otherwise or in the rational number, that means it is not a example of polynomial. So what is the demand of question? Which of the following expression are polynomial? Which of the following? Just focus on the half part of the question. Which of the following expression are polynomial? So now we taking the first example. 4x square minus 3x plus 7 degree will be equal of 2. Degree will be equal of 2. What type of number? That means a whole number. That means expression are known as yes, it is a polynomial. Now according to the question number second, what is the degree of expression? The maximum power of variable. How many variables are there? A single variable y. Maximum power are known as the degree. Degree will be equal of 2. And what is 2? 2 is another type of whole number. So we can say expression, yes, given expression is a type of polynomial. Question number third. Student, we take the question number third here. Question number third. 3 root t plus t root 2. So variable, where is the variable? Variable, that means a t. T consists in the form 1 by 2. Reason, root t will be equal of 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is not a whole number. It is a rational number, students. And what is the proper definition of polynomial? The degree of polynomial always in the form of whole number. So we can say no, it is not a polynomial. Now we taking question number fourth. Y plus 2 by y. In the case 2 by y, 2 into y to the power minus 1. Power of variable y minus 1. What about minus 1? Minus 1 is a negative integer. What is the mean of the negative integer? That means another part of integer. Minus 1 is a negative integer. It is not a whole number. So we can say no, it is not a polynomial. I hope student you getting the proper explanation of the each question. First one is the yes, it is polynomial. Second one also yes, it is polynomial. Third one, no, it is not a polynomial. Fourth one, no, it is not a polynomial. About question number 5. Here 3 types of variables are possible: x, y and t. And the power of x 10, power of y 3 and power of t will be equal of 50. Both are whole number. So we can say given expression is a polynomial. Yes, it is a polynomial. I hope student you getting the proper solution, proper half solution of question, because we taking the first half part of question. Which of the following expression are polynomial? Which? First one is the polynomial, second one is the polynomial, and last one, fifth, is a polynomial. Now in one variable and which are not state reason. ठीक है, I repeat the each and every reasons. How many variables are there? Yes, it is a polynomial of one variable, yes, it is a polynomial of one variable. And finally, last one, yes, it is a polynomial but of three variable. I hope student you getting the proper solution, you understand the proper solution of the question number first. ठीक है, then after you take the screenshot of it, I think you get the proper message by the definition of the polynomial. The maximum power are known as degree, and degree consists in the form of whole number are known as type of polynomial. Student, question number second of exercise number 2.1. What is the demand of question? Write the coefficient. Underline first word. Important thing is there. Coefficient of x square. What is the mean of the coefficient? ठीक है, we take A, B, C. Student, we taking question number second of exercise number 2.1. What is the demand of the question? Write the coefficient. Underline coefficient of x square in each of the following expression. So firstly I introduce a word term. What is the mean of the term? Just like 2x, each and every term consists the two part. First one is the constant and second one is the variable. ठीक है, we take another example just like ABC. In the case of the ABC both are multiple to each other. That means A productive factor of BC, B productive factor of AC, and C productive factor of AB. So what is the coefficient of C? What is the coefficient of C? What is the coefficient of C? That means AB. But what is the coefficient of B? Coefficient doesn't mean the front side, that is not a part of front side. B multiple of A and C both, so coefficient of B will be equal of AC and the coefficient of C will be equal of AB. In the case of the 2x, 2 is a constant and x is a variable. The coefficient of x, that means a multiple factor will be equal of 2. That means coefficient of x will be equal of 2. Which type of 2? That means positive 2 or negative 2. ठीक है, positive 2. When x square minus 3x plus 5, the coefficient of x square, any number is here, in the absence we taking the positive one. So coefficient of x square will be equal of plus 1. Coefficient of x will be equal of minus 3 and 5 is a constant number. I repeat, in the case of the x square minus 3x, another example we take x square minus 7x plus 6. The coefficient of x square will be equal of 1. The coefficient of x will be equal of minus 7 and constant term will be equal of 6. Now we take the question number first of question number second. 2 plus x square plus x. What is the demand of question? Coefficient of x square. That means we have to focus on x square. Where is the x square? X square is present? No. So required solution will be equal of 0. ठीक है, any one question is there, the coefficient of x square, so focus on the x square. What is the mean of coefficient? That means a multiple factor. What is the multiple factor? In the absence of every number we take 1. So coefficient of x square will be equal of 1. That means a positive 1. The coefficient of x square will be equal of 1 but which sign? Negative, so we taking the -1. The coefficient of x square will be equal of pi by 2. And finally here x square is absent, so coefficient of x square will be equal of 0. Student, question number 3. What is the demand of question? Give one example, a single example. We take the number of examples. Take it for our knowledge. Give one example each of binomial. First part, binomial of degree 35, and second part, mononomial of degree 100. What is the mean of the binomial? Binomial, that means a number of terms. Number of terms will be equal of 2. But in the case of the mononomial, that means a number of terms will be equal of 1. So we take how many terms? 2 terms. But we have to write in the degree 35. So we take examples like 2 x to the power 35 plus 4. Example number first. Example number second, minus 3 y to the power 35 plus 5. Example number 3, root 2 z whole power 35 plus 4. Another example, 1 by 2 x to the power 35 plus 27, and so on. Another example, minus 3 by 2 x whole power 35 plus 2. Both are the examples. In the case of the binomial, we consist 2 terms. How many terms are there? 2 terms. And degree 35, that means a degree 35. Now we take the examples of the mononomial of degree 100. We have to write in the form of mononomial. What is the mean of the mononomial? That means a single term. That means a single term. That means a single term. Single term in the form of the degree 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. For decoration we write minus 2, 3, 5 by 2, root 2, root 3, and so on. I hope you getting the proper message from the question. Mononomial, that means a 2 terms. Binomial, that means a single term. Student, question number 4th. Write the degree. What is the mean of the degree? Simple definition. The maximum power of expression are known as degree. In the case, question number first, we have the variable x. Power of x here 1, x to the power 2, x to the power 3. That means our maximum power are known as the degree. So degree will be equal of 3. Question number second. 4 minus y square, where 4 is a single variable and 4 is a single constant and y is a single variable. So maximum power of y will be equal of 2. So we can say degree will be equal of 2. Question number 3. 5t minus root 7. In the case 5t minus root 7, t is a variable and root 7 is a constant. So degree will be equal of 1. Last question of question number 4th, very interesting. A single term 3. We can write 3 in the form x to the power 0. Let we consider x is any variable, or 3 into y to the power 0. That means what is the maximum power of variable? 0. What is the maximum power? 0. So we can say degree will be equal of 0. Student, last question of the exercise number 2.1. What is the demand of question? Classify the following as the linear, quadratic and cubic. What is the basic difference between the linear, quadratic and cubic? When we told about the particular degree, as you know that the maximum power of expression are known as degree. When the degree will be equal of 1 are known as linear, but when degree will be equal of 2 are known as quadratic, and when degree will be equal of 3 are known as cubic. So when we explain about the question number first, x square plus x square, variable x, power will be equal of 2, here power will be equal of 1. That means a maximum power are known as degree. Maximum power are known as degree. Degree will be equal of 2, such that required expression, given expression is a type of quadric. Now question number second, what is the degree? The maximum power will be equal of 3, so degree will be equal of 3. Degree will be equal of 3, that means expression is a type of cubic. Now question number third, y plus y to the power 2 plus 4. In the case of y square, degree will be equal of 2, and when degree will be equal of 2 are known as quadric. Okay, next question number fourth, 1 plus x. In the given expression, 1 is a constant and x is a variable. X to the power 1, that means a degree will be equal of 1, such that we can write given expression is a type of linear expression. But in the case of the 3t, 3 is a coefficient of 3. 3 is a coefficient of t. In another way, 3 is a type of constant. Here t will be consist power 1, that means a degree will be equal of 1. When degree will be equal 1, expression are known as linear. I hope student you getting the proper solution of the 5 question. Now we taking the 6 question, r whole square 2, that means a degree will be equal of 2. Degree will be equal of 2, that means a given expression is a type of a quadric equation. Now last one, 7x to the power 3. Here 7 and 3 both are the constant number, but 3 is a exponent over power, and the maximum power are known as degree. When degree will be equal of 3, expression are known as cubic. Both are the questions of the exercise number 2.1. I hope you getting the all problem solutions of question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Take the screenshot of it. Thank you so much to watching this YouTube channel.